Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out the top movers on the Exodus application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now we should wait a few seconds till it loads in, and then you should click on this button down below on the left side corner of the screen, and after that scroll down a bit to the top movers section. As you slide to the right side, you can see all of the items. Here you can see if you click on one of them, you will be able to check it out in more detail. So here you can find the price, the balance as well, and also the change in percentage. You can also swap it, and if you have any SRM in this case, then you will be able to check out the activity as well. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.